sa tinubdan, sa sitlaang Bahati, sa kadagatan, sa Cordova, dagat, isda. Ako di ay si Christine Acula Escamilla, 20, papasigarbong nagarepresenta sa Dinagat Festival. This costume represents the beauty of marine life, particularly the soon-to-open Marine Sanctuary in Cordova, Alegria. As you can see at the back of my dress, this is like a vase-like material that is used to catch bakasi, or eel in English. Bakasi, sud, bakasi. Bakasi, sud, bakasi. And these vases are called pantak. And this is the main livelihood of Cordova, which is then they used to sell it in Mercado, that is called in Cordova. And it is no secret that Cordova gives importance to the beauty and life of the sea, which is why this costume represents the vibrancy and the harmonious life of the marine life. Dinagat Festival, the beautiful and bountiful marine life.
Subli natong tawag